I would also like to update the GOM about the present status of vaccination progress in the country. Till yesterday night, as per the data compiled in the morning, we have been able to administer 16 crore 73 lakh 46,544 doses to our countrymen in the various priority groups. In the health workers category, 95 lakh 22,639 health workers have got the first dose, and 64 lakh 30,277 health workers got the second dose. So we can see this gap between the first and the second dose here, the number of people who got it. Similarly, in the field level workers category or the frontline workers category, the first dose has been received by 1 crore 38 lakh 62,998 frontline workers, while the second dose has been received by 76 lakh 46,634 frontline workers. Again, you can notice this gap between those who got the first dose and those who got the second dose. Similarly, in the 45 to 59 years category, we find that the first dose has been received by 5 crore 47 lakh 33,969 people, and the second dose has been received by 58 lakh 69,874 people. That's another, we can notice this gap between those who got the first dose and the second dose. Then just to update you that in the last 1 month, our testing ability and our capacity, which during at the time of the last meeting was 15 lakh tests per day, this testing capacity of the country has gone up to 25 lakh tests per day right now. And we have by now tested 30 crore 60 lakh 18,044 people. And in the last 24 hours itself, we have tested 18 lakh 8,344 people, and this has been possible through a network of 2,514 labs, where the journey we started from one lab last year, it has come up to this 2,514 labs. Then finally, just to inform this group, till now we all know that in spite of the fact that health is a state subject, but central government from the day one has been supporting the states on each and every aspect, including financial support and in terms of helping them in establishing their diagnostic capabilities, providing them with kits, N95 masks, PPEs, etc. So just to inform the group, by now we have provided to the states 422.79 lakh N95 masks, 176.91 lakh PPE kits, 43,222 ventilators, and till now, because recently we saw that there was a shortage of remdesivir injection in the whole country, so the central government has been able to provide 29.02 lakh remdesivir injections to the states.